being generous with all these people, making sure that they understand that they have a stake in this thing is one of the secrets to our success. We tend to have extraordinary outcomes from an asset management and property management perspective. I think as a result of that, of being so generous with everyone that we do business with.
What's the next, secret to, building, an investment focused passive investment?
So I think the secret to living is giving. As I mentioned, 5% of all of our profit goes to charity. We did, kind of one of the coolest things I feel like I've done in my life, helping, build a school last year. And then 5% of our profits goes to our team in the form of profit share. So we're very vertically integrated, and we make sure that our team understands that they own those apartment buildings that they're walking through. We have in-house lawn, snow, housekeeping, facilities, and of course, property management. So we have about 50 full-time employees here in Rochester and 30 in Tacoma, Washington. So we're very staff heavy. And we think that, being generous with all these people, making sure that they understand that they have a stake in this thing is one of the secrets to our success. We tend to, have extraordinary outcomes from an asset management and property management perspective. I think as a result of that, of being so generous with everyone that we do business with. And at the end of the day, that's what's going to get incredible outcomes for our passive investors. So we love to, kind of give of ourselves. We love to do, teaching and speaking. We typically do something, about once per day between Elaine and I, doing podcasts and other speaking engagements like this, being generous with our team members, generous with charity, and ultimately, I think, generous with our investors. I think that is a really motivating way to get out of bed in the morning. Once you have enough money, more money is not very motivating. It can almost become depressing. I remember when, my wife and I kind of hit financial freedom. It was actually kind of a tough time in our life, figuring out what to do next. And at the end of the day, I think most people that arrive to the other side of that question, they come to the conclusion that the secret to living is giving.
Amazing. Secret living is giving. And let's dive into that profit share for a little bit. So on the profit share, income minus expenses is profit, right? And then you have $1 million of profit, or let's just say hypothetically, then you would say, okay, we'd give 50,000 of that to across the you said 50 full-time employees in some kind of
that's right
way of is it
even $1,000 approximately? Well, no, it's not even. There is a formula based on years of service, position in the company, but from a holistic perspective, you can think, yep, if we have a 50K profit share, we got 50 employees. We're actually having our all hands meeting at the end of this week where we'll share our profit share, and that's my favorite day of the year.